Okay, in this video, I will be talking about queues in Python. So queues is a data structure that has a first in, first out. So this is kind of different from the stack that we talked about earlier, which was last in, first out. So this is like a typical line that you would see at a restaurant, and it's usually good for a breadth first search. So let's create a class called, I'm going to do kwq because Python module has a queue somewhere and don't want to confuse it. And we're going to create a constructor called init, pass in our self, and inside we're going to create an empty queue called self.queue equals empty list. And then we want to add things to a queue, so we're going to have a def called enqueue and pass in self and data. Then we're going to append our items to our queue by calling self.queue.append and pass in data. Okay, so we're going to do our if name equals main and run our function in here. So let's create our queue here. We're going to say my queue equals kwq, and we're going to add some items. So my queue.enqueue, let's say 1, and maybe you're going to add a few more numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, so that's adding in numbers, and then let's have a print function so we see the content. We're gonna have a print queue, and inside we're gonna have for I in range length of self.queue, and then we're gonna print the contents of self.queue every ith element. So here we're gonna call the print function, and we should see the contents of our queue if I run it. So you see 1, 2, 3, right? So it's printing out our queue. And we could do other things too, like removing it. So we could have a dequeue function, for example. And we want to pass in self. So dequeue is going to remove the first item. So we're just going to also return the index. So self.queue.pop. And we'll pop off the first element, which is the 0th index. So let's say if I did my queue.pop here, or call it dequeue. So if I dequeue it, what should I expect? I should probably see 2, 3 because the first one is gone. And as you can see, when I run it, I get 2, 3. Okay, so that's dequeuing it. And we can add in some other functions too. Maybe we want to see if the queue is empty. We have a def is empty, pass in self, and then we could return if the length of self.queue equals 0, then we know that it's empty. Otherwise, it's going to be false. Okay, so we could do a print and then is empty, for example, and just call my queue dot is empty. And if I run this, you can see that is empty is false because I have some items in there. Okay, and if I were to move this line up right before I inserted anything and run this, you just see that it's true because here there was nothing in there, right? So just gonna revert back my changes. And let's do a get front function if we want to see the top element. So we could have a def get front, pass in our self, and to return self.queue, and we want the first element. Okay, so if I do that and run it, you will see that, well, let me first call it. Let's close this out to clear it up, and let's have a print get front, and say my queue dot get front. And if I run this, you see get front is 2 because that's the element up on top, or the first element in our queue, because we popped off 1. Okay, so that's how you implement a queue in Python. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.